This 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 371,371 a 13 fifth wheel toy hauler is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, spare tire kit, TV, awning, microwave, oven, leveling jacks, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, external shower, smoke detector, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, outdoor kitchen, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 371,371 a 13 fifth wheel toy hauler is 12,764 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.